This is a shipment of frogs from Kevin Hoff in Savannah, Georgia. I did USPS, hold for pickup. Lady said that he didn't see that very often. She knew immediately what package it was. So apparently that's an oddity in this part of town, or in this parts of the country. Little box here. Got a nice insulated styrofoam box with perishable on the outside. Really thick. Cryopack, still slightly phased. Starting to transition again. I have some begonia cuttings here, which Kevin included. Very nice of him. A couple different begonias that he likes. Excited about those. And we have the frogs here. Some styrofoam to keep them in place. And we have a calling male Luke, who is cool little pattern there. A little bit on the skinny side maybe, but you can fatten him up real quick. Hopefully he'll hear calling soon. Ended up with 3 females, so had to pick up a calling male. He'll go in quarantine for a while. And then we have some mint terribilis. Awesome little guys. Nice green and yellow. Pretty young froglets it looks like. Probably only a month or 2 out of water. Packed really nice. Lots of packed shipping peanuts and stuff. See if you can get a belt.